All right, happy wedding anniversary, brother. What a pity, happy wedding anniversary पे हमने इनको इधर बुला लिया. But anyways, अभी वापसी पे मैं आपको डिनर करवा दूंगा अकेले में वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी का. ओके, डोंट वरी. या एग्जैक्टली. तो बाकी टेक अवे करके घर ले जाइएगा, ठीक है, या हम वहीं से स्वाब पहुंचा देंगे उधर. सो लेट्स टेक अ स्टार्ट. द टॉपिक इज मीटिंग न्यू पीपल, राइट? सो whatever you feel when you meet new people and all that. Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, of course I like to meet with the new peoples because I'm a very social person. So
I'm a very social person.
I'm a very social
Social, yeah, you said social. Social.
Social person, and I like to meet with the different peoples and interact with them and talk to them and give my opinions and share and also take their opinions about the different things and ideas.
All right, so to answer your question, I always feel great when I come across new people. Come across is another word for meet. Use a variety of words. Okay, in your answer, try your level best to use variety of words, but appropriately, not otherwise. Okay, how do you feel when people welcome you?
Well, I feel great and happy when people welcome me because when people welcome, it's a sign of care and love they show towards me. So I feel great. And answer to your question, yes, I feel like good when people welcome me.
When people welcome me, okay, people singular. All right. Do you often or how often do you meet new people?
As I was working at a retail field, so on a daily basis, I meet with different people.
I was working. I used to meet.
I used to meet different peoples and many people and a lot of peoples. With them, I engage on a daily basis and meet with them.
Okay, now listen. Do one thing. Instead of people, you can use the word clients. You can use the word strangers.
Customers.
You can use the word co-workers.
Okay.
Right? So variety of word. Otherwise, people, that doesn't sound good.
Okay.
But if you use the word co-workers, colleagues, clients, customers, this is good, right? Okay, let's go on. Can you tell if you like someone when you meet them for the first time?
Yes, I do. I like.
No, the question is, can you tell? So it should be yes, I can.
Can.
Yeah, yes, I can.
Repeat the question.
All right,
again.
sure. Can you tell if you like someone when you meet them for the first time?
Yes, I can tell that the person when I meet for the first time was in my job and I meet with her on my job and that moment I have a great friendship with her and at the day when I was not on my working, I still talk to her whenever I have a free time.
Yeah, so I've got very good people skill and I can immediately tell after meeting a person whether I like her or not. One sentence conclusion, right? I'll ask you a couple of questions, right? Okay. From the same topic. I'm going to make them on my own. Do you trust on people easily?
No, I do not trust on the people easily. As I am a social person, but I can't trust people easily because there are many kind of peoples who are on the face they are good, but on the back hand they are not as.
Okay.
As with us,
right?
As they are showing.
All right. How do you deal with rude people?
I deal with the rude people with calm and patience and
with calm. Okay, I deal with rude people calmly and with patience.
Calmly and with patience, and listen to them.
I always listen to them first.
I always listen to them first, and on which matter they are rude from me. And so I try to understand their rudeness and say sorry or say sorry and try to manane ki.
Try to convince them.
Convince them.
Exactly. All right. Or we use the word come round. Come round is also manana. Okay, that's fine. Overall, it's good. Just at the end, one sentence conclusion.
Okay.
That links your answer to the main question will do. And use a variety of words. Thank you.
Thank you.